Howdy folks, how you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we're going to show you how to replace the gas cylinder on a Steelcase Criterion chair. Now this process will also work on a Steelcase Protege, Rapport, Sensor, and Rally chair, and a few others, but today we're going to be using a Criterion office chair. So for this project you will need your bearing kit, a new cylinder, flathead screwdriver, an awl, hammer, and a 5/8 inch deep well socket. So before we get started today, we are going to flip the chair over on a solid surface to give us a better access point. Alright, so the first step we're going to do after we have the chair flipped over is remove the bottom clip with your flathead and release the plastic tube from there. Should be able to lift the base off. The next step is we want to take our awl and dig out the old lock rings and the old lock washer. Okay, so you want to take your awl and dig out the bottom lock rings and the lock washer. Just kind of get in there so you can get a handle on it. Should be able to eventually pry it open and release the old lock rings. There's one. And there's two. Should be able to remove your cylinder from the housing. So once you remove the cylinder, there is a white plastic piece in the bottom. You do not need to remove it. It should stay in there at all times, but if it does come out, it just drops in like that. And that's all you need to do with that. But that should not come out. Okay, so now it's time to put in the new cylinder. We have our cylinder here. This end down, just like so. Okay, so the first piece will be the lock ring washer. Put that in first. Next up, we have two lock rings. We're going to do one at a time. I'm going to use a 5/8 inch deep well socket. Set it over the cylinder. Like so. Pound down. That will lock the lock ring into place. Now if you don't have a deep well socket, we use 1/2 inch pipe as well, and that seemed to work just fine. We're going to use a second lock ring to secure the cylinder into place. Again, socket, hammer, till it's secure. So now is a good time to test our cylinder to see how we did. We're just going to press the seat height lever, step away, and it should extend up. So next we'll put the bearing kit on the cylinder. We have a rubber bumper first, followed by a black washer. Next we have the white bearing, followed by one more black washer. And the bearing kit is all assembled. So next step will be to put the base back on the chair, over top the cylinder. So you want to insert it very carefully, not to disturb the bearing kit. Slowly down the shaft. You should see the cylinder pop out the bottom here. Push down on our black housing. Snaps into place. You may have a silver washer that goes on top here. You may not. That goes there. And last will be the gold clip to secure everything to the chair. And that just snaps on into the grooves. Press into the clicks. And that's all, folks. So that is how you replace the cylinder on a Steelcase Criterion chair. If you have any questions about the process, reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.